Sir Michael Philip Jagger, born the 26th of July 1943, is an English singer, songwriter, actor, and film producer who has gained worldwide fame as the lead singer and one of the founder members of the Rolling Stones. Jagger's career has spanned over 5 decades, and he has been described as one of the most popular and influential frontmen in the history of rock and roll. His distinctive voice and energetic live performances, along with Keith Richards' guitar style, have been the trademark of the Rolling Stones throughout the band's career. Jagger gained press notoriety for his romantic involvements and was often portrayed as a countercultural figure. Jagger was born and grew up in Dartford, Kent. He studied at the London School of Economics before abandoning his studies to join the Rolling Stones. Jagger has written most of the Rolling Stones songs together with Richards, and they continue to collaborate musically. In the late 1960s, Jagger starred in the films Performance, 1970, and Ned Kelly, 1970. To a mixed reception, he began a solo career in 1985, releasing his first album, She's the Boss, and joined the electric supergroup SuperHeavy in 2009. Relationships with the Stones members, particularly Richards, deteriorated during the 1980s, but Jagger has always found more success with the band than with his solo and side projects. In 1989, Jagger was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and in 2004 into the UK Music Hall of Fame with the Rolling Stones. As a member of the Rolling Stones, and as a solo artist, he reached number 1 on the UK and US singles charts with 13 singles, the top 10 with 32 singles and the top 40 with 70 singles. In 2003, he was knighted for his services to popular music. Jagger has been married, and divorced, once, and has also had several other relationships. Jagger has 8 children with 5 women. He also has 5 grandchildren and became a great-grandfather in 2014, when his granddaughter Assisi gave birth to a daughter. Jagger's net worth has been estimated at $360 million.